Did you know that your gut might have more control over your mood than you think? In fact, up to 90% of your body's serotonin, the hormone that helps keep you happy, is made in your gut. Surprising, right? But here's something even more shocking. A poor gut can lead to feelings of anxiety, depression, and stress. That's because the gut and brain are constantly talking to each other, sending signals that influence how we feel. If your gut is unhealthy, it's not just your digestion that's affected, your emotions are too. This video will show you exactly how your gut health impacts your mood, often without you even knowing it. We'll dive into the science behind the gut-brain connection, and we'll share simple, easy ways you can improve your gut health to feel better, think clearer, and live a more balanced life. Stick with us to discover how a few small changes to your diet and lifestyle could unlock a happier, healthier you. Chapter 1, Gut-Brain Connection, the Invisible Highway. We all know that our brain influences how we feel, but did you know that the gut plays a huge role in shaping our emotions, too? The gut and brain are connected through what scientists call the gut-brain axis. This system allows them to communicate with each other non-stop. In fact, the gut sends more signals to the brain than the brain does to the gut. One surprising fact, nearly 90% of serotonin, a key hormone that stabilizes mood, is actually produced in your gut, not your brain. If your gut is in bad shape, it can have a direct impact on your mood. Studies have shown that people with poor gut health often suffer from anxiety and depression. But how does this happen? The gut has trillions of bacteria that influence everything from digestion to mental health. These bacteria can produce chemicals that affect how we feel. In short, the better your gut bacteria, the better your mood. To keep the gut-brain connection strong, it's vital to nurture your gut microbiome. Research indicates that a healthy gut can even help improve memory and focus, making it easier to deal with stressful situations. The brain and gut can even exchange information through the vagus nerve, which runs from the gut to the brain. This superhighway can send signals about everything from hunger to emotional states. So, when you're feeling stressed or down, your gut might be signaling to your brain to feel the same way. It's a two-way street, and it's time we pay attention to what our gut is saying to us. Chapter 2, Mood Swings? Your gut may be the culprit when it comes to mood swings. Many people never consider their gut health. Yet, emerging research suggests that an imbalanced gut could be the reason for sudden changes in mood, irritability, or even more serious mental health issues. An unbalanced gut microbiome, known as dysbiosis, can disrupt the gut-brain connection, triggering emotional instability. Did you know that gut health issues are linked to depression? A 2019 study found that people with a dysbiotic gut were more likely to experience depressive symptoms. It turns out that an unhealthy gut can increase inflammation in the body, which directly affects the brain. Inflammation in the brain has been linked to conditions like anxiety and depression. What's more interesting is that this can happen without us even realizing it. The gut's influence on mood swings also ties into how it reacts to stress. When you're stressed, your gut health may take a hit, and your brain might respond by amplifying feelings of anxiety or sadness. In fact, research from the University of Oxford shows that gut bacteria are involved in regulating the stress response. A poor gut microbiome can make you more vulnerable to feeling anxious in stressful situations. To regain balance, it's essential to focus on reducing stress and improving gut health at the same time. Some simple strategies include eating a balanced diet, avoiding excessive sugar, and staying hydrated. These can help you improve gut function and, as a result, keep your mood more stable. Chapter 3, The Hidden Role of Gut Bacteria in Happiness. Gut bacteria aren't just responsible for digestion, they also play a huge role in our happiness. It's a hidden influence that many people overlook. The truth is, our gut bacteria produce neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and GABA, which are critical to regulating mood. These chemicals are commonly associated with happiness and well-being. In fact, serotonin, which regulates mood and emotional stability, is often called the feel-good hormone. Yet, as we mentioned before, 90% of it is made in the gut, not the brain. Some researchers even refer to the gut as our second brain because of the significant impact it has on our emotions. The production of GABA, which calms the nervous system and promotes relaxation, can also be influenced by the gut. If your gut is in balance, your brain will thank you by feeling more peaceful and happy. A study by the American Psychological Association discovered that people with healthy gut microbiomes tend to report lower levels of stress and anxiety. Interestingly, gut bacteria can also influence the production of dopamine, which is associated with pleasure and reward. This means that the foods we eat can directly impact our feelings of joy or satisfaction. For example, eating fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut can help promote a healthy balance of gut bacteria. These foods are rich in probiotics, which support the growth of beneficial bacteria and improve mood. There's also a fascinating link between gut bacteria and the stress hormone cortisol. High levels of cortisol can make us feel on edge and anxious, but studies show that a healthy gut microbiome helps reduce these levels. One study, published in Psychoneuroendocrinology, found that people with healthy gut bacteria had lower levels of cortisol during stressful situations. In other words, nurturing your gut may help you manage stress better, keeping you happier overall. Your gut health isn't just about digestion, it's about creating a healthier, happier you. By keeping your gut bacteria happy, you're setting the foundation for a better mood, clearer thoughts, and a more balanced emotional state. So, it's time to think of your gut as a critical player in your mental health journey. Before we continue, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. You won't want to miss the next part of this exciting journey into gut health and how it can transform your life. Chapter 4, Feeding Your Gut, Feeding Your Mood. Your gut thrives on what you eat. What you put into your body can directly influence your mood and mental health. By choosing the right foods, you can feed your gut bacteria, encouraging the growth of beneficial microbes that help keep your mood stable. Some foods are known to be gut-friendly. For example, fermented foods like kimchi, kombucha, and sauerkraut are packed with probiotics that nourish your gut. Fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains act as prebiotics, feeding the good bacteria and helping them thrive. Omega-3 rich foods such as salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds can also reduce inflammation in the gut and improve mood. On the other hand, highly processed foods, sugar, and artificial additives can harm your gut microbiome. They can increase inflammation and promote the growth of bad bacteria, which leads to mood swings, anxiety, and even depression. It's important to focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods that support gut health. Drinking enough water is another simple way to promote gut health. Hydration helps keep the digestive system functioning properly, which, in turn, supports the balance of good bacteria. Along with a healthy diet, regular exercise can also improve gut health by promoting the growth of beneficial microbes. Chapter 5, Gut Health and Stress, the Biochemical Tango. When life gets stressful, your gut health can suffer. Stress activates the fight or flight response, which can disrupt the balance of your gut bacteria. Over time, chronic stress can lead to an unhealthy gut, creating a vicious cycle of stress, poor gut health, and mood problems. Studies show that chronic stress can alter the microbiome, making it harder for your body to handle stress effectively. When the gut bacteria are out of balance, it can make you more prone to feeling anxious or depressed. In fact, stress has been shown to change the way our gut bacteria interact with the brain, leading to emotional instability. To break this cycle, it's essential to manage stress effectively. Mindfulness practices like meditation, deep breathing exercises, and yoga can help reduce stress and improve gut health. Additionally, getting regular sleep and exercising regularly can help support both your gut and your mental health. Chapter 6, A Gut Reset for a Better Mood. Practical steps to take. Improving your gut health doesn't have to be complicated. Small, consistent changes can make a huge difference in your overall well-being. Start by adding more fiber-rich foods to your diet, such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These foods will help nourish your gut bacteria and improve digestion. Incorporating probiotics into your diet can also support gut health. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and kombucha are excellent sources of probiotics that promote a healthy gut. For those who prefer supplements, probiotic pills can provide an extra boost to help restore balance. Cutting back on processed foods, sugar, and alcohol can help reduce inflammation in your gut, leading to better mental health. It's also important to stay hydrated and exercise regularly to promote gut health and overall well-being. By making these simple adjustments, you can give your gut the care it needs to keep your mood balanced and your mind clear. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for more tips on living a healthier, happier life. Let's take care of our gut, and it will take care of us.